Hello and welcome to Dad English.
Hi everyone, I'm Grace.
This podcast helps your English.
Today's topic is small talk.
Small talk is short conversation.
It is very common.
Many learners feel shy.
That's okay.
You don't need perfect English.
Simple words work.
We will practice together.
Step by step.
Easy examples.
Real-life English.
Relax and listen.
Let's begin. What is small talk?
It is light conversation.
Not deep or serious.
Yes, very easy talk.
Like talking about weather.
Or daily life.
Small talk feels safe.
People feel comfortable.
No pressure.
No long stories.
Short sentences are okay.
Mistakes are okay.
Just try.
That's enough.
I like that.
Me too. Small talk is important.
Why is it important?
It helps people connect.
At work.
At school.
With neighbors.
Even with strangers.
Silence feels awkward.
Small talk breaks silence.
It feels friendly.
People feel safe.
No stress.
Just simple talk.
Very useful skill.
Anyone can learn it.
Yes, anyone. Let's hear bad small talk.
Okay.
Hi, how are you?
Fine.
Oh, okay.
Conversation stops.
Now, good small talk.
Hi, how are you today?
I'm good. A little tired.
Same here.
This feels better.
We add detail.
And feeling.
That's the key.
Easy fix.
Very easy.
Here is a simple rule.
One easy rule.
Answer the question.
Add one detail.
Ask a question back.
Answer detail question.
This keeps talk going.
No silence.
No stress.
Very natural.
You can do it.
With simple English.
Short sentences.
Real-life talk.
Practice daily.
You'll improve. It's cold today.
Yes, very cold.
I didn't expect this.
Me neither.
Weather is easy to talk about.
Everyone understands it.
No difficult words.
Just simple ideas.
Cold or hot.
Rain or sun.
People often agree.
Yes, they do.
This feels natural.
Very natural.
Good for beginners.
Always safe.
Are you busy today?
Yes, a little busy.
Same here.
Many meetings today.
That sounds hard.
Work talk is common.
Very common at work.
Short talk is enough.
No long stories.
Just polite words.
It builds respect.
And connection.
Easy daily habit.
Anyone can do it.
Even beginners.
Yes, beginners too. How was your weekend?
It was relaxing.
That's nice.
I stayed home.
Home time is good.
Yes, I needed rest.
Weekend talk is popular.
Many people ask this.
Easy to answer.
No pressure.
You can add details.
Or keep it short.
Both are okay.
Very natural talk.
Use it often.
Every Monday. What did you eat today?
I ate noodles.
Sounds good.
Yes, very tasty.
Food is a safe topic.
Everyone eats food.
Easy to talk about.
No special grammar.
Just past tense.
Very basic English.
People enjoy it.
It feels friendly.
Not personal.
Good for small talk.
Use it daily.
Yes, daily. Are you tired today?
Yes, a little.
Me too.
Mornings are hard.
Especially Monday.
Very true.
Morning talk is common.
People say this often.
It feels honest.
And friendly.
Coffee helps.
Yes, coffee helps.
Easy conversation.
Very natural.
Good for work.
Use it wisely. Traffic was bad today.
Oh no.
Very slow.
I understand.
Traffic is common talk.
Everyone knows it.
Easy to agree.
No arguments.
Short comments work.
No details needed.
People feel heard.
That's important.
Good daily topic.
Use with coworkers.
Or friends.
Very useful. What do you do in your free time?
I watch TV.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes, it helps me rest.
Free time is a good topic.
Everyone has free time.
Easy to answer.
No pressure.
Short answers are fine.
Or add one detail.
Both work well.
Natural small talk.
Very common topic.
Easy for beginners.
Use it often.
Yes, often. Do you have a hobby?
Yes, I like reading.
That's a nice hobby.
It helps me relax.
Hobbies are easy to share.
People enjoy talking about them.
Simple words are enough.
No long explanation.
Just say what you like.
Very natural talk.
Builds connection.
And interest.
Good daily topic.
Easy to practice.
Anywhere.
Anytime. Do you know your neighbors?
Yes, they're friendly.
That's good.
We say hello often.
Neighbor talk is polite.
Very common small talk.
Simple greetings help.
Short sentences work.
No deep topics.
Just friendly talk.
It feels safe.
And respectful.
Easy for beginners.
Good daily habit.
Builds comfort.
Slowly. Did you go shopping today?
Yes, I bought food.
Nice.
The store was busy.
Shopping is easy to talk about.
Everyone shops.
Simple past tense.
No difficult grammar.
Short answers work.
Or add one detail.
Very natural.
Friendly topic.
Not personal.
Good for small talk.
Practice often.
Yes, often. I like your jacket.
Thank you.
It looks nice.
That's kind of you.
Compliments are good small talk.
They make people smile.
Simple words are enough.
No big sentences.
Be honest.
Be polite.
People feel good.
That builds connection.
Easy to practice.
Every day.
Just one sentence.
That's enough. Listening is important.
Yes, very important.
Small talk is not only speaking.
Listening shows care.
Short responses help.
Like, I see.
Or, that's nice.
Easy English.
Very natural.
People feel heard.
That builds trust.
Good habit.
Practice daily.
No stress.
Just listen.
And respond. Smiling helps small talk.
Yes, it does.
It feels friendly.
Even before speaking.
Body language matters.
Very important.
Smile and relax.
People feel safe.
No perfect English needed.
Just be open.
Small actions help.
Big results.
Easy habit.
Every day.
Everywhere.
Always helpful. Making mistakes is okay.
Yes, very okay.
Everyone makes mistakes.
Even native speakers.
Don't stop talking.
Keep going.
Small talk is forgiving.
People understand.
Focus on meaning.
Not perfection.
Confidence grows.
Step by step.
Practice helps.
Every day.
Small steps.
Big progress. Confidence is important.
Yes, very important.
Small talk builds confidence.
Easy wins help.
Short conversations.
Simple words.
No pressure.
Just practice.
Confidence grows slowly.
That's okay.
Everyone starts small.
Keep going.
Don't give up.
You can do it.
One talk a day.
That's enough. Practice every day.
Even 5 minutes.
Small talk is practice.
Real life practice.
At work.
At school.
At the store.
Everywhere.
Simple questions help.
Short answers work.
No pressure.
Just try.
Practice builds habit.
Habit builds skill.
Skill builds confidence.
Step by step. Asking questions helps.
Yes, very helpful.
Simple questions work best.
Like, how about you?
Easy and natural.
Keeps talk going.
No silence.
No stress.
Short questions are fine.
One question is enough.
Don't ask too many.
Keep it simple.
Very natural skill.
Easy to learn.
Practice daily.
You'll improve. Ending small talk is important.
Yes, very important.
Keep it polite.
Short and friendly.
Say, nice talking to you.
Or see you later.
Smile when leaving.
It feels good.
No long goodbye.
Simple is best.
People appreciate it.
Very natural.
Easy to practice.
Every day.
Every talk.
Done politely. Let's review.
Small talk is simple.
Use easy topics.
Weather, work, food.
Short sentences.
Simple words.
Add one detail.
Ask one question.
Listen well.
Smile often.
Don't fear mistakes.
Practice daily.
Confidence grows.
Step by step.
Anyone can do it.
Yes, anyone. Keep practicing.
Don't give up.
Progress takes time.
That's normal.
Small talk helps confidence.
Confidence helps English.
English helps life.
One step at a time.
You are learning.
Every day.
Every try matters.
Mistakes are okay.
Keep talking.
Keep smiling.
You can do this.
We believe in you. Use small talk in real life.
Not only in class.
Talk to coworkers.
Talk to neighbors.
Talk to shop staff.
Short talk is fine.
No long talks needed.
Just small moments.
These moments help.
Confidence grows.
English feels natural.
Less fear.
More comfort.
Everyday life English.
That's the goal.
Very achievable. Set a daily goal.
One small talk a day.
Very simple.
Very effective.
One question.
One answer.
One smile.
That's enough.
Don't overthink.
Keep it easy.
Small goals work.
Big goals come later.
Daily practice wins.
Consistency matters.
You're doing well.
Keep going. Final advice time.
Keep it simple.
Use easy topics.
Short sentences.
Smile and listen.
Don't fear mistakes.
Practice daily.
Real life practice.
Small steps matter,
You are improving.
even if slow.
Slow is okay.
Keep talking.
Keep learning.
Believe in yourself.
Always. Thank you for listening. We're happy you're here. Learning English takes time.
You are doing great.
Small talk is a start.
A very good start.
Keep practicing.
Every day.
One step at a time.
We believe in you.
You can do this.
Yes, you can.
Thank you again.
See you next time.
Keep learning.
Bye for now. This is Dad English.
Thanks for listening today.
Practice your small talk.
Use it in real life.
Simple English works.
You don't need perfect English.
Just try.
Every day.
One conversation.
One smile.
One step forward.
That's progress.
We're proud of you.
See you soon.
Take care.
Goodbye.